up? This is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you one fix. If in any case, if your iPhone 15, 15 Plus and Pro Max goes to black screen or dead and you don't know how to recover from your phone, you can apply this tutorial, guys. For example, suppose this phone has dark skin, black skin. So in this case, we're gonna use volume up and down key and the power button. So what we're gonna do, we'll hit volume up, release, volume down, release, and hold the power key for a long time. You'll see this screen. In your case, the phone will be all dark. You will not see anything. And you see now I will release when I see Apple logo. Let's see. Here we go, guys. So in this case, most probably your phone gonna fix. If it's not fixing this way, then we have to try another method. The next method would be charging method. In this case, I have a box full of charger. Try with different charger. The original Apple charger, if it's not working, try with other charger. For example, I have one fast brick here, you can see. Also, try with different cable. Sometimes happen your cable is damaged, it's not charging, doesn't have enough charge. So charge with different charger of another iPhone, Samsung. Try. It may fix. If doesn't fix you in this case, so third term will be take a cotton. Take your phone, so you have to press gentle and hard. Sometimes what happens, if you drop your phone, some of the connector of display, they disconnect. In that case, display is remain black. You may listen noise, but it's not working. So press your phone all the way, especially this zone. You have so many connectors inside. I have many videos to show where it is, where they are, to fixing another iPhone. So press it all the way, hard and tight, different way. Put a gentle and hard pressure, depends. So this may fix your phone, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.